Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to get and use the transition wrap filter on the Instagram. So if you are looking for this filter, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram and on the left top you will see your story option. Tap on it. Once you will tap on it, you will see different effects are appear here. Swipe to the left. Once you will do it, you will see browse effect. Tap on it and here you have to search for the transition wrap. Search for it. Here you will see transition wrap from Instagram. Tap on it. And now you have to move your face to the right side, so it will make a transition like this. You can also click on the try it to create a video on it, or you can save it for future use. You can also share it with your friend. So this is the filter. You can remember this icon of this filter. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.